video, I'll demonstrate how to make a pair of pyjama shorts from scratch. Start by making fabric cutouts from your patterns. Prepare the exterior pockets and stitch them on the front of the shorts. Then stitch the crotch region carefully as shown here. Then close the side of the trouser and pass it through the uplock machine. Afterwards, stitch a 5 cm slit in front of the trousers, which will be useful to pass the ribbon through. Then restitch the shorts with a top stitch 1 mm near the original stitch so it looks nicer and make it stronger as well as longer lasting. Create a 2.5 cm hem. Turn the waist while leaving a small gap for the ribbon. To make a ribbon, take a strip of fabric and fold it a couple of times and then stitch it. Pass the ribbon through the waist of the shorts without losing track of it. ironing your shorts will prolong their life and make a better presentation.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.